Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can update your Toon Blast application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Toon Blast application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Toon Blast and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the application. Now all you need to do is click on Update button to update the application. While updating the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Here as you can see, there's no update available in my case, so I won't be able to update my application. But if the updates are available, you can simply tap on Update button. This is how you can update your Toon Blast application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.